Hello everyone and welcome! Today we're going to introduce the BST-130 Bluetooth speaker and take a look at its design, features, controls, and connectivity options. Let's get started.
Let's begin by opening the box. Inside you'll find the all-new BST-130 speaker, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual, and a thank you note from Aiwa. On the front, the BST-130 features a durable metal grille speaker protector finished with a premium metallic Aiwa logo badge on the bottom right. Across the top, you'll find all the essential controls, including volume up, LED, play pause, TWS and mode, and volume down, giving you quick access to every function. Around the back, there's a USB port, TF card slot, a modern Type-C charging port, aux input, and a dedicated power switch. Just below the input panel sits the Hyper Bass passive radiator, designed to deliver deeper, punchier bass. All input ports are protected by an inbuilt rubber cover, safeguarding against water, dust, and damage for reliable outdoor use. The BST-130 comes with a sturdy strap rope, making it easy to carry or attach to your backpack wherever your music takes you. The BST-130 is available in two colors, matte red and matte gray. You can choose the one that best matches your style. The BST-130 weighs only 300 grams, making it lightweight and easy to carry. The Aiwa BST-130 automatically enters Bluetooth mode when powered on. On your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled device, open the Bluetooth settings and look for Aiwa BST-130. Tap to connect, and you're ready to enjoy your favorite music wirelessly. Simply place two Aiwa BST-130 speakers close to each other. Press the TWS button on both speakers. The speakers will automatically pair, allowing you to enjoy true wireless stereo sound for a wider and more immersive audio experience. To switch to FM radio mode, press the TWS button once on a single speaker. The speaker will immediately switch to FM mode and start playing radio stations automatically. For USB, aux, or TF card playback, just press the TWS mode button twice to switch to the desired input mode. When the battery is running low, simply connect the supplied USB Type-C charging cable. The charging indicator light will blink while the speaker is charging. Once the battery is fully charged, the indicator light will stop blinking, and your speaker is ready to use again. The Aiwa BST-130 features built-in RGB LED lighting to enhance the mood and vibe of your music. Simply press the LED button to cycle through different colors and lighting effects until you find the one you like. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.